Sheriff's Department.
Are y'all really having monkeys on the loose up there?
Yes, ma'am. We got 5.
Okay, these things are lab rats, apparently. They're going to a lab in Maryland. If they get loose to the public and bite a kid, it's not going to be good.
We got to try to keep them contained. We had one across the highway on us. He said they could carry hepatitis, COVID, herpes. Law enforcement officers, we're told, if they come in contact with them, they shoot them. I mean, I hate that, but if it's not in the case, we don't care.
Hey, he's about to crawl in that culvert.
He's moving this way. Here, I got it. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
911.
Hey, we just seen a really bad car accident on 59.
How many vehicles was involved?
Just one. It was a truck pulling a trailer.
Okay, Hollywood, 1 to Jasper.
Go ahead.
Have you received a call of 1050 on after today?
That's 10-4. MAC was on scene, and there's no entrapment, no injuries, so they're good.
Alright, well, you know, I don't know if you will, they got monkeys that loose out there. They transport monkeys, so.
Did you say there was transporting monkeys?
Yes, ma'am, I got some guys calling back there. Some monkeys out there running loose.
What kind of monkeys are these, Cornell?
They said Rhesus.
Rhesus? Like the peanut butter cup?
Something like that.
I've seen a lot of shit. I ain't seen this. Well, guys, how'd y'all's day go?
Go ahead, Joe.
Sat here. What you got for me?
I got one down.
Yeah. What are we looking for?
Alright, just how they. We just want to see the paperwork on what kind of monkeys and that sort of stuff.
Is somebody on?
Yeah, just go ahead and talk to him, Mr. Rita guy.
Yeah.
21 monkeys, okay.
21.
And these correct, okay, great are considered by Rhesus, contamination, okay, chief, okay, veterinary medical officer.
Hey, you think we need to get them 2 guys over there? Try to keep these guys in this medium?
Yeah, that's what they're doing, just rotate back and forth. But he's driving.
So
It's mold that cross this damn thing.
So what are we doing if they get in the road?
I'll just run them back down, just trying to keep them down this way. So they come here with a tranquilizer truck.
We're going to need a lot of turn. There's 21. I've seen at least 7 out.
Some of them still in the cage. Most of them, hell, one of them got out of the cage.
That's what I'm saying. They can get out. That one's still in the cage. There's one by the cage. You sent that to the sheriff?
Yeah, we finna get some paperwork. What's wrong with this?
Goddamn ants.
Oh.
Ah, God bless America. Tired of getting bit by ants. Don't let it whip you now. Daisy. Please don't tase the monkey. Shoot them.
If that one's gone, I got it.
15, Jasper. I'm out. I'll give you a call here in just a
Fuck
second.
it.
Copy 3, copy 50.
You gotta shoot it. You have to shoot it. They can't get away. You have to shoot it. Y'all don't want to be fucking doing a search party for these monkeys all night. I tell you that. You gotta shoot them. I'll call you back. Gotta shoot them.
All of them?
All the ones that are out.
Even though, even if we can keep them contained and everything?
Yep.
All right. Hey, 3, give me a call. Who was that you just talked to?
That was my boss.
Okay.
Oh, this is his phone. The black one.
Okay.
I don't know. Like to share. But you doing this today.
Man, look. When I heard monkeys out, I said, ain't no damn way.
It's not funny. I'm sorry about all that.
Nah, man. I don't know what happened. Rex happened. It's just this is a new one for me.
He said he was ready to drive. Well, see.
This guy right here
Got my phone. Yeah.
Well, he just got off the phone with his boss. His boss said the only thing y'all can do is shoot him.
That one up there, ain't gonna tell him what that was.
He was with
The
him.
white guy was driving, and the black
guy was
passing. He
passing.
was asleep, he said.
All right, let me talk with him. See what's going on.
Shane, have you ever chased monkeys on the interstate?
This is the first for me.
Well, good morning to you. Well, hang on. Yeah. Man, we probably gonna wind up having to shoot these things, honestly, boss. They're about knee high. One of them ran across the highway and we tased it, but it got away. Dude, they're everywhere out here. There's freaking like 10 of them. I don't know. Okay. These things are lab rats. Apparently, they're going to a lab in Maryland. So there's no telling what kind of diseases these things have. If they get loose to the public and bite a kid, it's not going to be good. So go ahead. Dude, I don't know. I don't care if you get bananas. Freaking Mario Kart this bitch. I don't know what the hell you want to do. Now, this one right here is about to crawl in that concrete culvert. What?
One on the other side.
If it goes through that culvert, hey, what you doing with that? What we about to do?
He said neutralize when they get out of hand. I'm gonna fight you, boy.
Jason.
Hey, I ain't being funny, but for real though. I mean, what about Nate? Hey, them motherfuckers fight, man. That's some big motherfuckers. That ain't no monkey. That's a goddamn baboon.
I told you, dude. This is freaking baboons.
Those baboons. Well, this is the first.
I'm about to go get my AR.
Why? Do we know what the hell are they going to?
They carry hepatitis. They're going from Tulane, which is a research facility, to Maryland to another research facility. They carry hepatitis. They carry everything. And if these damn things have a disease that we don't know about, we're about to see some people transform out here, dude.
Shit. Or so they've already been injected.
I don't know.
They're not on the way to be injected.
I don't know.
That'd be a big thing to know. So whether they have had the damn
I'm about to get this AR out there.
Hello? Hey, this is Colt Mooney with Mississippi Department of Wildlife. I'm the exotic species coordinator. I'm trying to figure out what you got going on there. I spoke to the driver. He said the monkeys are Rhesus monkeys, if you know what that is.
Yeah,
they're test monkeys. He said they could carry hepatitis C, COVID, herpes. He said they have to be handled with PPE, and they are aggressive to people.
Oh, Lord.
And I've tried calling Tulane, and I left a message for the guy to call me back, and he hasn't called me. But the driver said something about if they escape, they have to be put down.
Yep.
So, do y'all do that, or do we do that?
Either or, I'd imagine. I'll talk with the warden and see what our game plan is on this. I just know if they didn't have a permit through me, I would be the one to issue a permit for them transporting, and I never got a request. So.
Okay. Cool.
My people just said that they talked to one of our exotic biologists. Our exotic biologist said these people are not permitted to bring them through, so therefore they are not supposed to be here, and we are in full within our rights to start putting them down. So, outside of the ones in the cage, if it's not in the cage, we're gonna kill them.
So the two drivers, we need to go ahead and...
Yeah, we're probably gonna have to talk to both of them too.
He's moving this way.
You want me to hit that walnut trailer?
Wait just a second.
All right.
You see another one?
Yeah, it's right there.
No, I'm looking at the one you're talking about.
Hey,
You can get a headshot and drop him right there and kill him.
you can hit him, kill him. Hey, fixing to shoot. You can kill him, kill him.
On your first shot.
Going out there.
He's right there. I can see him sitting still. Now he just climbed up in the tree.
We're going to have a traffic stop both ways here for just shortly.
Just 1425.
Them are strong.
I hit that twice and he kept.
I know I just hit that one.
Oh, you see one?
Nah, I'm just waiting for one to show their head.
Ah!
I don't see him. He's freaking going crazy in there. Them jokers are tough.
He may be in a cage. I don't know.
Hit him?
Yeah, I hit him.
They kind of flush these out of this car. Thanks.
You want to get right here? Let's get on each end.
Muzzle awareness, don't.
You see one? You see one in the car?
No, not yet.
So how many does that leave?
Just went up in the trailer just a little bit ago on the first shot.
I'm telling you, them jokers are strong, Cornell.
You're going to have to hit midsection or in the head on them. They're not going to quit moving.
Hey, let's just get on one end of this trailer and start spraying.
Well, they're right behind them, see? You didn't bring in them flash grenades, did you?
I bet that worked.
Now we got about, how many?
Three.
I'd send that through that culvert.
Y'all have to lay eyes on that one in the woods over there.
You want me to get him? Here, I got it. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Watch that car behind you.
Yeah, hey, you want the cars? Whoa.
Yeah, where you at?
Yeah, get closer.
You see him?
Bud get him. Bud got him with that damn.
What you shooting, by planks?
No!
Oh.
I'm telling you, these are strong.
Aim for the head, cause I shot that one a while ago twice. He kept moving.
What, the one I just got?
Yeah, he's rolling.
No, that shotgun, that's what, just hit him with a shotgun.
I never thought I'd spend my day shooting monkeys.
Heidelberg 3, Jasper, show me a service, please.
Two in the culvert and one in the woods.
That right, Cornell? That should be right. Yeah, you doing magazine change?
No, I was checking it out. Everybody wanting to know what's going on.
That's my fault. I hear it took it out.
He's gonna shoot into the culvert, try to drive him out. But we kind of need to, once he shoots, we need to.
That motherfucker gonna go across that damn road.
Jasper 2, SO.
Go ahead, dude.
Heidelberg 3 has some traffic for you.
I don't know.
Go ahead.
Heidelberg 3, 10-8.
I got it.
Big shoot this way? No. Oh, he said no.
Hey, as soon as they get through, let's let at least that traffic come.
Okay.
They're gonna back over that hill. We're gonna have
Okay.
a fuss up there.
All right. Jump.
Did you get it?
Yeah, he did. Okay.
How many is that?
I don't know where that one went. 4. That's 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Three, 4, 5.
That's it. The only one we missing, one of the ones in the woods.
Yeah, he got tased.
So.